Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name is Tejas Shastry. I'm the co-founder and chief technology officer here at TRULEO. And I wanted to take some time to walk you guys through our AI-assisted report feature called Field Notes. TRULEO's Field Notes really gives you a full suite of tools to help automate the process of taking interviews and writing report narratives. And increasingly we're seeing that there's states across the United States that have laws around AI, laws around how AI can be used in the report writing process or in court. And I'm really happy to share with you some of the features that make TRULEO forward when it comes to some of that legislation and is completely compliant with all of the new AI legislation coming out around AI-assisted report writing. So what does TRULEO's solution give you? Well, first and foremost, it helps you create professional report narratives in an easy way. You're able to capture your recollection in a variety of ways that you'll see. You can type, you can talk, you can have TRULEO talk back to you. You can incorporate all of the artifacts that you might want to include, like your body cam transcript, other witness interviews, any uploaded documents. And more importantly, you can customize exactly how that report output plays out. And we'll show you how some of these features work in a second. But all of this really comes together in a single application suite that lets you be hands-free, be heads up, be safe when you're providing your recollection for a report, and then come back to a cleaned up report that's completely compliant with your state's legislation, completely compliant with your department's policy and custom templates and disclaimers and whatever that department may have when it comes to AI policy. So when you first come into the Field Notes interface, you'll see this application. And on the left here is basically where your report will take life. And on the right is TRULEO's confidential AI assistant called TruAssist. And why do we make this confidential? Well, we have very strong protections in TRULEO around data privacy, data ownership, and having a confidential assistant on the right allows you to be able to pull up sensitive department data, be able to talk and spitball with your assistant while allowing your assistant to put all of the artifacts that are potentially discoverable into this interface on the left. So if I'm a patrol officer, I can come in here and use TRULEO to help with my report narratives. If I'm a supervisor, I can use this for performance evaluations. If I'm a detective, I can use this to transcribe interviews, draft probable cause statements. There's a variety of use cases to be able to use this report writing interface, and we'll walk through some of them right now. So you'll see over here on the right that the first thing that TRULEO's assistant is giving me is a checklist. And this really helps ground me in terms of what types of information I might have to produce in my report. So I can go over here and select a different type of report. Maybe I'm working on a traffic accident today. And I can also select a template. So you can see immediately TruAssist has sort of updated this checklist of what I need to include in my report. I also have the ability to pick which template I want to use here. And these templates are basically formats that tell TRULEO what are the sections that you need to include in a particular report. How do you want to format dates of birth? How do you want to format names? Maybe you have an existing template from your department. You can actually come in here. You can basically take an existing template, you can copy and paste it, you can update these templates on the fly, and all of that lets you really customize what this eventual report output is going to look like. So once I've selected my template, then I have my checklist for traffic accident. Now I can start on my report. And so maybe I know what goes into a traffic accident report, maybe I don't. If I don't, I can really take a gander at the checklist over here. And then when I'm ready, I can type, I can dictate to TruAssist, and I could even push to talk, so I can sort of have an interactive conversation. So I'll show you what push to talk as well as having TruAssist talk back to me looks like. Let's do a quick recording here and then see what TrueAssist comes back to me with. Okay, so today is March 16, 2026, and I responded to a traffic accident on I-10 southbound near exit 22. Actually, it was exit 23. There were two vehicles involved in the accident, a blue Toyota Camry, license plate was Alpha Echo Charlie 123, and a white Honda Civic.
Got it. Your notes have been updated with the details of the traffic accident. Would you like to add more details about the involved driver's accounts, or would you like a review of your notes so far?
So you can see right there, TrueAssist immediately was able to transcribe what I said. I was able to put it into my digital notepad here. It's already prompting me for what I might need to include next. And I can turn this voice off at any time and I can just have it be silent. I'm going to actually ask it to go ahead and review my notes just so we see what that looks like. Hey, TRULEO, just go ahead and review my notes for me. And so you can see, immediately it's able to compare everything I've put in this note so far against my checklist, and says, okay, I've got the date and location, I've got that there are two vehicles involved, but there's a lot more missing, in this report. But it's giving me the options here. I can add more details and it'll keep prompting me, or I could just go ahead and generate a report narrative right now. And so what it's going to do is it's going to take even that small amount of information that I provided and put it into this structured narrative based on the template. So in seconds, I basically dictated, probably 15 seconds there, and now I got an initial report in a department provided template, plus this front line of review for how I can enhance this template. So all of that information was stored in this digital notepad. There's a lot of additional artifacts you can add here. So, one popular artifact that a lot of officers want to include in their reports is their body-worn camera. So TRULEO, we can transcribe and analyze 100% of a department's body camera footage and make it available to be able to be used in reports. And so departments can come in and a user can come and see a summary of the actual body camera interaction, make sure it's the right one that they wanted to include, and just add it to the field note. And so now this becomes another artifact that's going to be incorporated into the report. Now, what's really important here is that there are some platforms out there that just take body cam transcripts and turn them directly into report narratives. And TRULEO is not that. And the reason that we never went down that route is because that conflates two different pieces of evidence. Traditionally in court, the body camera video was one piece of evidence, the officer's recollection in the report was another piece of evidence, and when you turn the body-worn camera transcript directly into a report, you really lose a piece of evidence in court, and it makes it worse for the outcomes for the department and for the officer. So the way that TRULEO handles that is that we enforce that an officer can't just include their body camera video, they have to provide some amount of recollection of their version of events. So that allows a department to get both the officer's recollection, but also extract all of the important details from the body camera interaction. Now, during a body camera interaction, there are many details that go back and forth. And so when TRULEO takes body camera data and puts it into a report, we don't take the raw transcript. We take what we call video insights. This is an AI model that has gone through the transcript and extracted all of the relevant pieces of information that are relevant for the report. So if the officer is having a side conversation, just shooting the hay with their partner, that doesn't show up in the body camera transcript. That's not going to show up in the report. It doesn't need to be in the report. And when you just have an entire body camera transcript pushed into a report, you open yourself up to risk around extraneous details or irrelevant details being included in that report. So when TRULEO puts body camera data into a report, it's distilled. You can see here the model's decided I've extracted out the relevant parts of this traffic stop, where it was, what happened, any sort of officer safety concern, specific violations. There was a minor child present in the vehicle. So all of that is provided by the model. Relevant quotes are provided by the model, but all the irrelevant information that is not necessary and can hurt an officer in court is removed from the transcript and put into this cleaned up form that really ends up being a better artifact for the report. So now that I have both my body-worn camera video insights and my recollection, I can just regenerate this narrative, and I can keep generating this narrative as many times as I want. If I see something I don't like in the narrative, I can go change it myself, or I can tell TrueAssist to do it. I can type or I can dictate. And you can see now I have a much more substantive narrative now that I've included my body-worn camera, but I still have my recollection of the events. I can upload other attachments as well. There's a variety of attachments that you can include. You can include images, and TRULEO will actually have an AI model describe those images. So you can get image descriptions put into a report. That could be evidence. It could be any sort of CAD data that you pulled out. Really any sort of attachments that you want, you can include in your report. And all of that goes into generating the best, most accurate narrative that you want. Now, sometimes we have users, they sort of read the narrative and they're like, I like everything in there, but I'd like it to be like shorter or longer. And all of that's customizable with this template. So you can come in here, and if you wanted to, you could say, keep the entire narrative under 300 words, or use at least 500 words. Whatever instructions you want to give the model, you can in this template, and it will use that to generate your final narrative. And once you're done with this narrative, you can just take it, copy it, and paste it into your RMS system. You can download it as a PDF or docx and bring it into your RMS system that way. Really, it's up to you, but that allows the officer to take ownership of the artifact and be the one to put it in the records management system. So you don't have this workflow where AI is automatically submitting report narratives into your sensitive data system. So one of the other aspects of report writing is that when this gets to court, there's often a concern around the audit trail of, okay, this report was enhanced with AI, but what was the source material? And this is really where TRULEO shines, because not only do you have your final narrative, but you have this download of all the artifacts. And so this download of artifacts will include a zip file that has all of the particular files and pieces of info that are relevant to your report. So in this case, what is that? Well, I have here the digital notepad content that you can see here. I have also, just make this a little bit bigger. So what are those particular artifacts? I have my digital notepad content right here. I have my enhanced narrative, which is the final narrative. I have those video insights, which are the extractions from the video that were taken. And I even have a voice recording with the original audio. Okay, so today is March 16, 2020. So I have a complete recollection and audit trail of all of the artifacts that went into producing my report. And this is really what makes TRULEO shine. It makes us completely compliant with a lot of legislation that's coming out around the use of AI report writing in policing, and allows for departments to have a completely compliant solution that they can deploy widely. Now, in addition to report narratives, there are a lot of other use cases that departments have used TRULEO's field notes for. You can actually use it for recording interviews, conducting interviews. And you might ask, how do you do that? Well, in addition to being able to dictate and talk in this web interface, you can actually call into TRULEO. So you can dial TRULEO from your mobile phone. This is a popular use case for a lot of patrol officers. They'll be out in the field. They will actually speed dial TRULEO. They might just have their phone in their pocket and be recording an interview or an interaction that they're having. Maybe they have their body camera on, maybe they don't. They can bring that interview in as an artifact. They could just be dictating notes, and those notes will show up in TRULEO as well. So you can really use your mobile phone out in the field to record audio and bring it into TRULEO's interface to be able to enhance your report narrative. But there are some newer features that we've released recently that take that capability a little bit further. One of them is not only can you have TRULEO listen to your interaction, but you can actually have TRULEO conduct witness interviews for you. So one of the use cases for this is for a lot of our highway patrol users. They might appear at a traffic accident. There might just be one of them or maybe 2 troopers on scene, and there might be 8 witnesses. It might be hot on the road. You want to clear the road quickly. And so what you can do is you can actually come into TRULEO and generate a number and a pin. And so you can give this number and this pin to any of the people you want to interview, and you configure an interview script. And TRULEO's AI, they'll dial the number, and TRULEO's AI will interview them for you. It will ask them these questions. It will, confirm the details, and it will make sure that it hits all the points in whatever interview script you provide. And once it's done, the user hangs up, and then you get their particular interview in your field notes inbox. So here you have all of your notes. You'll see your interviews pop up here as you conduct them. And so this is super powerful because it really allows you to have an assistant on scene to be able to collect information when you're spread thin. And we've increasingly seen agencies want to open that up not only to traffic accident interviews, but to other types of interviews, whether that's investigative use cases to have detectives be able to interview this way, or collect feedback from the community. There's really a variety of ways to utilize the AI-led interviews. So if your agency has an idea of how to use it, definitely contact us, and we're happy to set you up outside of just a traffic accident type witness interview case. In addition to those interviews and those reports, as I mentioned, there's other administrative reports that departments often are using TRULEO for. Some of that is performance evaluations. There's definitely a lot of departments now that frequently the supervisors will have to provide regular performance evaluations of users, and not only does these same concepts of a checklist and a template allow you to remind yourself of what to include for a particular performance eval. It lets you get detailed performance evaluation in a format that's blessed by the department, and you're able to dictate that, you're able to type that. You can use all the same tools to type or dictate or add attachments and format it in a way that makes sense for your performance eval. So a variety of use cases outside of just report writing for incident reports. If you have a use case where you have a particular structure that you need to put into your report, but it's onerous to be able to type it, Field Notes is a great place to come to try that out. So hopefully this was helpful and instructive for all of you in terms of understanding some of TRULEO's capabilities on report writing, and feel free to reach out with any questions that you might have. Field Notes is something that you can actually sign up on our website to try for free. So you can actually go to TRULEO.co, fill out your information, and immediately get a free trial of TRULEO's automated report writing.